Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Audi and today's video is all about a bass upgrade on an Audi A5. So this customer actually saw one of our previous videos on an Audi A5 that we did previously, but today's video is all about adding in some serious amount of bass, but also getting rid of some of those awful rattles that came from the factory system. We're going to show you not only the sub, what it looks like, but also give you guys an idea about how we've actually solved the rattle issue from the Audi A5. Sitting inside the front of the vehicle, what do you actually see, what changes, and how do you actually use the actual bass upgrade that we've added? The utilizing of the factory screen stays exactly the same. You play your Spotify, you play your radio, whatever you want, all live directly through your center screen. However, one thing does change in terms of how you edit bass. We've got a little controller that sits just near the armrest here in a really neat location. We can choose this location during the audio consultation, but it's a really neat little solution that you've got an adjustment on your actual bass level, so you can turn it all the way off or you can turn it all the way up and enjoy that rocking bass. So now we're going to be talking about the rattles and also what it looks like in terms of actually the sub itself. What we're using in terms of a product is something called an Audison Prima 10-inch active sub, which means its amplifier is built in to the actual sub enclosure itself. This system is really nice and very versatile. It can move from car to car, so when this customer sells his car, you can actually remove the system and move it to the next car, which is an investment into the kit itself. Another really nice thing about this solution is that it's really easy to actually disconnect and give you your full boot space back with ease. It's literally 3 connectors and the power connector is on a quick release connector, so you can't get that wrong and it's all nice and safe. That easily removes and the sub can be removed. You can put that at home and have all of your luggage space accessible again. In terms of obviously the boot room that it's taking up is not much at all, as you guys can see. The really nice thing about the sub as well is the fact you can load shopping, you can load your stuff on top of the sub because it's a downward firing design. It sits onto your floor, velcroed down from the factory little feet points that the Audison sub has, and it provides a massive bass increase. But one thing that's really important is getting rid of those rattles. The factory sub, this car doesn't have the B&O system, but it still comes with a factory sub. If you put your head in underside of the boot, you actually see a little sub that sits around about here. What this sub actually does is mounted into the parcel shelf and it rattles like absolute crazy. One really nice thing that we've done is soundproof the back of the vehicle, but also the boot area as well as that rear shelf to allow for a far better acoustic environment for this sub to work in, as well as getting rid of those horrible rattles that the customer was having previously. Hopefully you guys at home have enjoyed today's video. You've seen a little bit more about the bass upgrade that we've done on the Audi A5. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Remember, all the links to get in touch with us, all of our social media links are in the description as well below. But thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family that you might be of interest in having something like this added onto their vehicle. Otherwise, we'll see you all very soon.